everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. Today it is Sunday, June the 22nd of 2025, and I'm coming to you guys with a quick little video here at Walgreens because we got a deal today on laundry detergent. I am so excited to tell you guys about it. 49-cent laundry detergent. This is for real. This is happening. So it's going to be a quick little video. I want to show you guys that deal, and I'm also going to show you guys some clearance at the store because I tend to find pretty good clearance at Walgreens. Sometimes they have things for 90% off, so I figured I would go ahead and show you guys that as well. But it's just going to be an awesome video, so I'm just going to dive right in. Let me show you guys this awesome detergent deal at Walgreens. This, guys, day one of the sale, and they're already sold out of the Purex. I'm gonna hunt on an end cap and maybe see if they have any left at all, but they're $1.99 this week on sale, which is already pretty good. But we have rebate on Ibotta for $1.50 back when you buy one of these. So after that, it makes it 49 cents, limit 2. So outstanding deal on the Purex. I saw an employee, and so I asked him if they had any more of the Purex anywhere. And at first he didn't think so, but he said, wait a minute, I think I might have saw some in the back. Walgreens is so quiet, I feel like I have to like whisper in here. I'm like shouting. All right, guys, the employee came back in moment of truth. Yay. He actually offered me 4 of them, but the rebate's limit 2. So I'm gonna grab these 2, and then hopefully somebody else comes in and grabs 2. But I'm super stoked. 49-cent laundry detergent. Amazing. So I was recommend checking the clearance section at Walgreens because a lot of times you'll find some things here that are 90% off. So for instance, these like fake eyelashes, normally $8.99, 90 cents. So if you need those, that's pretty good. They also do have Claire's items for 75% off. So like Easter, like bunny hats and St. Patrick's Day stuff. So that would be 75% off if you're interested in that. This is a really good deal if you guys like Takis. So the chile lime variety or whatever, this is $5.29 normally, but it's on clearance for $1.29. So that is a very good sale price. So another 90% off find at Walgreens today on this quad rolled writing pads like graph paper. This is normally $5.29. It's on clearance for 53 cents. So that is awesome for 90% off. I saw one of these at Dollar General for like $2. So awesome savings at Walgreens. Also 90% off are these pencil pouches, the Wexford Color Block pencil pouches. Normally $9.99 on clearance for just $1. So a really good deal. Okay, so they do also have some candles on clearance as well. These look like they're just 50% off, so not as exciting as 90% off, but you still might be interested. They also do have some as seen on TV items, but these are not. I saw somebody post these that they're like 90% off at their store. I believe it was Saving with Christina on Instagram. At my store, they're just 50% off, so actually some of them aren't even that good, but yeah. But that's the story at my store. Wait, there was one thing that was 90% off. It's Ruby Squish Bulb Head Clean was $9.99 down to $1, but it's gone. So, but check your as seen on TV. You might find some stuff for 90% off. Oh, this also was 90% off. The Flawless Face Blue 4.0, but it's gone. All right, guys, that is all that I have for this Walgreens video today. I really hope y'all did enjoy a bonus video at Walgreens. Like, what is happening? I don't do Walgreens very often. I don't get into all the like points boosters and doing like 12 transactions and all that stuff anymore. However, when it's quick little deals like this, I am definitely like good with that. So yeah, I enjoyed this little trip to Walgreens, and shout out to Running Kimono. I saw this deal on her YouTube, so shout out to her for posting. It's a really good deal. I'm super excited, and hopefully I would run sooner rather than later because I doubt this is gonna stick around for long. But if it does reset for me, you better believe I will keep coming back and getting more as long as I have it in stock, because that's just such a good deal. But yeah, guys, there are more deals here than just this, I am sure, with the register rewards and the points and all that fun stuff. So definitely check out some other YouTube videos as well about Walgreens this week. But I had to get on here because you guys know the rebates are like my thing. I mean, there's just a quick, easy rebate deal, especially on laundry detergent of all things. Like, we gotta make a special video about it. But anyways, guys, that's all I got. I hope you all enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.